Number 1. 1994 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This truck has 220,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.0L EFI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives excellent and comes with a clean title in hand. The truck features a short bed with push-button 4x4, making it a capable choice for both everyday driving and off-road use. The exterior is finished in red with a gray interior, and it is equipped with power windows, power locks, and ice-cold AC for added comfort. It has also received a new 3-inch leveling kit, new 15x10 wheels, and new 33x12.50 or 15 tires, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved capability. With its 4x4 drivetrain, 5.0L V8, automatic transmission, upgraded suspension, and fresh wheels and tires, this F-150 offers a strong combination of classic style, utility, and performance. Number 2. 1997 Toyota T100, price $9,800. It has 340,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives excellent, with the engine running strong and both the AC and heat working properly. This 4x4 SR5 has been well kept and cared for over the years, making it a solid and dependable pickup. It features a clean white exterior with nice paint, a well-maintained gray interior, and great wheels and tires that give it a clean overall appearance. The front brakes and calipers have recently been replaced, adding to its reliability and driving confidence. The truck also has no rust, which is a great advantage for its age and mileage. Overall, this T100 is a well-kept classic pickup that is ready for everyday driving, work, or outdoor adventures, with its 4x4 capability making it even more versatile. Number 3. 2000 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500. It has 143,000 miles and is equipped with a 2.2-liter flex fuel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives great and has received numerous new engine-related parts, including spark plugs, wires, gaskets, a battery, and a radiator. The truck also features a Beltec 3 to 4-inch lowering kit with a completely new front suspension, along with Riddler wheels and good tires. It is finished in blue with a black interior and has had only 3 owners. The previous owner had owned it since 2002, giving it a long history of ownership. Overall, the body is in good condition for its age, although it does have some scratches and dings. There is also some rust bubbling around the rocker panels, but there are no holes. Number 4. 1990 GMC 1500, price $8,500. Well-equipped classic pickup with just 66,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a burgundy interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. Under the hood, the original 350 V8 has been rebuilt as a 383 Ci engine and is paired with Hedman headers and a full exhaust system that gives it a great sound. The truck also has an Edelbrock EVS carburetor and a 700R4 overdrive transmission equipped with a solid shift kit, along with a 340 Posey rear end. This truck has been upgraded with late-model Silverado wheels, LED front and tail lights, full window tint, and a sliding rear window. Several important components have also been replaced or serviced, including the front brakes, starter, battery, a AC compressor, evaporator, AC lines, and a complete AC recharge. The belt and tensioner have been replaced as well, and the truck has received a full tune-up and service. Number 5. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has a clean title and has been very well kept, with approximately $3,000 recently invested in maintenance and repairs. Recent work includes a new AC compressor, coolant hoses, an oil change at 264,000 miles, all 4 shocks, upper control arms, tie rods, valve cover gaskets, a rear main seal, and a new starter. There are a few cosmetic and other imperfections to note. The bench seat is torn, the truck is catless, and there are some dents and small paint chips on the exterior. The bezel around the radio also does not fit properly. Number 6. 1999 Ford F-150, price $5,900. This truck has 183,000 miles and is powered by a 5.4L engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in tan with a matching tan interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has a clean title and has recently passed emissions testing. It also comes equipped with brand new Michelin tires, providing added confidence on the road. The truck runs and shifts amazingly, and the air conditioning blows ice cold. It features power seats, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows for added convenience. The extended rear doors include windows that open, along with a third side window that gives the cab a more open feel. A bed liner protects the truck bed, while the receiver adds practical versatility for towing and hauling. Number 7. 2004 Chevrolet Colorado, price $3,700. This truck has 159,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable 3.5 L 5-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a clean gray interior, the truck has been very well kept and properly maintained throughout the years. It runs and drives excellent, with no mechanical issues or warning lights, and is ready to be driven. The Colorado comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors for added convenience. The AC blows ice cold, and all of the electrical features and equipment are working properly. It also has good tires and brakes all around, providing a comfortable and dependable driving experience. Number 8. 1980 Ford F-150, price $8,950. This truck has 84,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a red exterior and interior, and a gasoline-powered 351 V8 that runs great. It features a rebuilt transmission with less than 10,000 miles, Mickey Thompson wheels, Goodyear Wrangler 31-inch tires, tinted windows, and a newer exhaust with tips. The interior includes newer seat covering, door panels, a dash cover, and a retrosound head unit with speakers and a subwoofer. It also has a rubber floor covering, 1.5-inch front lift coil springs, a twin I-beam drop bracket kit, new inner and outer tie rods, and a recent alignment. Additional upgrades include a new aluminum radiator, ignition cylinder, Edelbrock carburetor and intake, plus a working washer fluid pump and sprayer. Number 9. 1992 Chevrolet S10, price $3,000. This truck has 279,000 miles and is powered by a 4.3L engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and has been lowered 3 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear, giving it a clean and sporty stance. The truck runs and drives great and has a rebuilt engine with approximately 100,000 miles on it. The truck is equipped with a newly installed air conditioning system that works great, along with new brakes and tires that are still in great shape. It also has a Bluetooth radio with good speakers, making it enjoyable to drive. The truck has a clean title in the seller's name and is ready to be driven home and enjoyed. Number 10. 1996 GMC 1500, price $2,500. This truck is a well-maintained 2WD pickup with 307,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a 5.7L gasoline engine, and a white exterior with a red interior. Despite its age and high mileage, the truck has been extremely well taken care of and runs and drives very well. It is equipped with power windows, and all of its options work as they should, including the air conditioning, which blows ice cold. The 5.7L engine does have a knocking noise coming from the lower end and will need to be rebuilt or replaced. Overall, it remains a solid and well-kept pickup with many of its features still functioning properly.